name is Oladimeji Jacobs. My employer is Elise. We are a laundering company and we supply linen from hotels, NHS, workwears and etc. My apprenticeship title is Maintenance Operation Engineering Technician Standards. So we cover both the mechanical and electrical side of maintaining a plant like Elise, for example. My career aim is to be a qualified engineer and to also diverse into the engineering sector, not just work in the laundry sector. I also want to go into the aeronautical and automotive sector as well. I chose an apprenticeship because you get hands-on job experience and you get a light bulb moment working on site, which is you're doing all the actual work. Then when you come back to the college, you've got the theoretical part. Oh, new skill I've gained during my apprenticeship. I used to be scared of electrical components like a panel, for example. But now I have the confidence to open up a panel and actually fault find when there's a problem with a machine or a panel. You get to be in a different environment in the sense that you have someone teaching you a project or like a coursework you've probably done in college, but you've also done at work, but you don't really understand it. Your tutor over here can also explain what has been done from the workplace in college as well. I've been exposed to a lot of engineering activities, if I'm going to put it like that, like jobs and health and safety requirements and things I should know and things I should do and should not do and how to work with tools properly. Yeah, I've benefited from my apprenticeship because of I have had to go through the course and I've had to learn the health and safety standards and how to do things appropriately and how to behave well in the workplace, and I think that's a plus for me. You're getting training from the college and the tutors from total people, and you're also getting the training from the workplace as well, which means you can merge both of them and develop yourself and also get paid while you're getting your qualification as well.